Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Rolling Spotlight, where we roll out the latest and greatest in mobility. I'm Jim, and today we're taking a closer look at a scooter that's light, compact, and surprisingly powerful for its size, the Buzzaround LT by Golden Technologies. If you're looking for a no-fuss scooter that fits your lifestyle without weighing you down, this one's worth the buzz. So let's get to it. Let's talk about the features. The Buzzaround LT comes with a comfortable stadium-style seat, flip-up armrests, and an adjustable tiller so you can get just the right fit. It's got a tight 48.5-inch turning radius, great for tight corners at home or weaving through narrow store aisles. It also has 8-inch solid tires on the front, which handles both indoor and light outdoor use smoothly. The Buzzaround LT supports up to 300 pounds, making it a great choice for many users. When it comes to portability, this is where the LT shines. It breaks down into 5 easy to lift pieces, with the heaviest being just 33 pounds. That's light enough to go in and out of your car trunk without needing a pit crew. Traveling? No problem. The Buzzaround LT is designed to be accessible and transportable, making it perfect for people who want to stay on the go without a big fuss. This scooter is ideal for someone who values simplicity, convenience, and mobility. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a daily errand runner, or just need something dependable for around the house, this one fits the bill. It's great for older adults, folks recovering from surgery, or anyone who wants a portable option without sacrificing comfort. The Buzzaround LT may be lightweight, but it doesn't skimp on quality. It's stable, easy to maneuver, and a breeze to transport. It's not just a scooter, it's freedom in 5 easy pieces. Thanks for tuning into the Rolling Spotlight. If the Buzzaround LT sounds like a good fit for your lifestyle, we'd love for you to stop by the store and take it for a spin. Our team's here to help you find the ride that's right for you, no pressure. Just good info and great wheels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, freedom starts with a full battery and the right wheels.